So today we'll be talking about the types of traffic, and this will be based on their source. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end to get the best knowledge about the type of traffic and also differentiate where your traffic are coming from to be able to categorize them. So the first type of traffic that we have is direct traffic. And direct traffic is when people type in your business URL in their web browser to visit the site. This means that people directly gain access to your site without going through a process of searching for it. In the sense that they use your direct URL. Maybe your business URL is www.aloednot.com. Now, I gave it to my friend. My friend copied that URL and pasted it in his browser and clicked enter. That type of traffic is what direct traffic. That is, my website was directly accessed through my URL or my business domain. And the second type of traffic here is organic traffic. Now, what is organic traffic? Organic traffic is when user come to your site after performing a search on a search engine like Google. Now, I said it in the first type of traffic, which is direct traffic. I said my store or my business or my website URL is www.aloednot.com. Now, instead of my friend who I gave my link www.aloednot.com, instead of him to access that my link directly like that, he had to go to Google and search for my business name, which is Aloednot. So after searching for Aloednot, my website displays. Then he clicked on it. That is when organic traffic is generated. That is the sense that people access your website through Google or any other search engine like Bing, Yandex, Yahoo. We have a lot. So that is what organic traffic really means. So the third type of traffic we have is referral traffic. And what does referral traffic mean? Referral traffic is the traffic that you get from other source outside your website or outside your search engine. That is, and how do you get a referral traffic? Referral traffic is popularly gotten from blog posts, other people's blog posts, from referral program, that is your affiliate program, and also gotten from you writing a guest post. That is how a referral traffic is categorized. That is any traffic that comes from from these three categories, which is affiliate program, blog post, or guest post. This traffic, anybody who click rather from that blog post or guest post, that type of traffic is categorized as what? As a referral traffic. And the last type of traffic here is social traffic. Social traffic means the traffic you generate from each of your social networks. Social network like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and a whole lot of social media or social network. You see, this social traffic, it helps you to figure out the social media to focus on. That is the social media that is getting you a lot of traffic. This type of social traffic helps you to what? To niche down which social network you are going to be using, what you are going to be using most. But mainly the meaning of social traffic is that the type of traffic that is gotten from what? Social network, be it Facebook, be it Twitter, or be it any social media networking site. So those are the important types of traffic, and I hope you've been able to understand how you are going to categorize your traffic based on their source, based on what where they are coming from. I remain Olasunde Kikeola Matthew, or you call me Aloed Not Digital. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you can get other updates and tutorials from me. I remain Olaside once again, and stay glued to the Motivation and Money Talk channel. Enjoy.